If I don't talk enough during this video, I'll just play some nice music and you can listen to that. Hey guys, so yes, I am standing in a bathroom and it is echoing, and I'm actually pretty self-conscious about talking because it's like echoing so loud. Anyway, we are in America. We are currently in Utah, Salt Lake City, Utah, and I am in a hotel, and I thought this would be a really good opportunity because I will be showing you guys a lot of videos about what I'm doing in America, but I also wanted to put some makeup and Easter egg stuff into that if I can, because I don't want to just be showing you guys, hey, I'm here, oh, I'm here now. I want to actually do something related to my channel, but I will be showing you guys a bunch of stuff that I have been doing that will not be makeup related as well, just so you guys can see what I've been doing. So obviously because I was flying, internationally, I couldn't take all of my makeup with me because that would just be a lot and I wouldn't be able to take that much liquid, etc. So I thought this would be a really good opportunity, or really good time, to be able to do the 5-minute makeup challenge with just the amount of makeup that I brought with me, which, I don't know if you can see, is that. So to some people who aren't really, into makeup and things like that, it might not look like a lot of makeup, but it's not a lot, okay? It's not a lot of makeup. So I'm just going to be doing the 5-minute makeup challenge, so starting from, 0 to 5, I'm just going to be doing as much makeup as I can using the stuff that I have, and it might be funny, I might end up with half a face, and then we're just going to wear that for the rest of the day. So we're just going to be setting a 5-minute timer. Oh, that's 50. 5-minute timer. Okay. And then we just start. So this is just going to be 5 minutes of uncut raw film, as you do. This bathroom is echoing so much, I'm pretty sure everyone can hear me talking to myself in the bathroom. Great, it's okay, I don't know anyone here, it's fine. I really hope that you guys can hear me though. I hope I'm not whispering too quietly. Okay, I'm not going to set anything out, it's all still in my box. And go. Right, first, we are starting with our foundation and our beauty blender. I'm just doing that on. My face is not primed because I couldn't bring primer. More foundation. Oh, that's a lot. I already used 30 seconds. Oh, I hope I can blend this out to the rest of my face. Okay. I don't know if I put enough on here for full coverage. Okay, you know what? Enough. It's just day makeup, we don't need to go ham. Right, next is a concealer that I've never used before because it's coming in a new video that I'm doing when I get back. Oh, dang. Okay. Okay. Oh, shoot. Okay, this doesn't blend out that great. I don't know if you guys can see the white patches in the corner of my eyes. This is not the time to be testing makeup. Oh my god. Okay, anyway, never mind. Go into a bit of contour. And I'm using eyeshadow to contour. Literally just all 4 of them because I didn't bring contour. What's time? Oh, 2:38. That's a great brown, isn't it? we don't have time for the setting powder. We just got to move lip moisturizer because you always have time to take moist lips. Lipstick. Oh, my brushes. Going in with that same for palette. Yeah. You're gonna make yourself look like you've been punched in the face. And that lighter shade to blend. We have 1.5 minutes left. Oh, good grief. Okay. Just blend that out. Oh, good grief. Eyebrows. Always have time for eyebrows. 59 seconds. Okay, come on. What am I doing to my face? This is actually pretty stressful. Oh my gosh. Ooh, so this not tense. 14, 13. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that was 5 minutes. I've watched a lot of these videos and it did not seem to go by that quickly. They seem to have gotten a lot more done. So let's just do a rundown of the face. So we managed to get our base down and some pretty brown contour. Pretty brown eyes, which is, I was supposed to add sparkles on top to make it different from the cheeks, but I ran out of time. Let's not even talk about the eyebrows. That just didn't happen. I didn't even get time to put on mascara or anything. I've seen people try and do this challenge and they apply fake eyelashes and everything. That was not me. But we managed to get a pretty standard. Can you guys see that like brown smudge right in there? Alright, so my review on the 5-minute makeup challenge. Don't do it if you're planning on going out anywhere that night. I am now going to be wearing this makeup for the rest of the day. I'm gonna look great. To be honest, I think the base and the contour isn't actually that bad. It's just everything else after that just went to poop. So thumbs up if you like this video. If you want to see more videos or challenges like this, then comment down below and also like this video. If you would like to subscribe to my channel, please click the subscribe button, and when you subscribe, if you hit that bell icon so you turn on post notifications so you get a notification every time that I post. I'll be putting up more videos probably after I come back from holiday because then I'll have time to edit them and you'll just be seeing a bunch of stuff that I've been doing while I've been in America. If you live in America, comment down below where you live because I might be coming to where you are, so might be able to meet you. Alright, thanks for watching guys. Bye.